रोजच्या ताज्या घडामोडींबरोबरच मनोरंजन आणि माहितीचा खजाना असणाऱ्या व्हिडिओज पाहण्यासाठी स्पीड न्यूज लाईव्ह 24 ला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवरती प्रेस करा.
Hi, this is Shalvi from Speed News, and today we are in episode number 3 of what could be the career options after 10th. And I have along with me Mrs. Jyoti Hiremat. She's from Women's College of Cyber and she's HOD of the Department of Fashion Designing in the college, and she's working since 17 years in the college. She's handling everything very perfectly and very nicely. So let's have a conversation with her. Ma'am, firstly, I'd like to introduce you to the people who are watching this video.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Let's start with the interview. I'd like to ask you the first question that about the course. That can this course offer a complete professional or skill-oriented education to the people?
Yeah, like what we know is we are talking only about fashion designing. But what actually this course provides, when we say fashion designing, it is not only fashion designing, it's actually dressmaking and fashion coordination. It is something where all the things are coordinated, all the fashion related things are coordinated. And here we are talking basically the things which are backstage of a fashion. When we say, everyone knows, when we say fashion word, they are only knowing about the ramp walk, the models walking on the ramp and that part. But we are not talking about that here. In this course we are teaching all the things which is at the backstage. So yes, and it is a professional course completely, because after this they can work as a fashion stylist, they can work as a fashion designer.
I think you are the sources from where all the fashion industry begins.
Yes, we train them from the grassroots level, what we say, na? Where we ask them like even how to hold a pencil. From that we start how they were going to teach them the sketching part, na? And they're all skill oriented. If the girls who are very well skilled, like sometimes we say na inborn talent and all. If they are good, they pick it up fast. But we are not neglecting the other part also. We try to teach them each and every aspect of designing, whether it is textile designing, whether we are talking about the apparel designing or the embellishment, what we do on the garments. Everything is taught in this particular course.
So there's the kind of personality development thing is also included.
Yes, we can see, we always see that when the girls come here, when they come after their 12th, basically we are talking about this degree course especially. So when they come after the 12th, we always have that question, like we say we should take one pic of a before and after. When the girl is entry level for this degree level, whatever is her own personality, she can see there is a drastic change when she completes with her degree. Not only in the matter of appearance, but also how she is carrying on herself in this world of fashion.
Yes, sure. After the completion of this course, do you need any specializations for job opportunities kind of?
You can say yes, but no also. Because I'll say first yes. Why? Because if she wants to do specialization in one particular field, like for example she wants to do only textile designing, or she wants to only work with some merchandising thing, then she has to go for higher studies and gain more knowledge about that subject. And no, why? Because whatever this in this fashion designing 3-year degree course we are going to teach, we teach everything from the A to Z of whatever fashion design we are covering, and the girl, whoever is interested in this particular, she can make her own, she can develop herself in that particular field itself.
Okay, but specializations then they remain to you, whether you want to do them or you don't want to do them.
Yeah, that's true.
What exactly would be the job opportunities?
Yeah, if they finish with this, I'll start with a very basic thing. First of all, basically with this fashion designing course, we want to train the girls to be independent and self-empowered. We want them to become entrepreneurs rather than they going and working somewhere. We always emphasize that these girls, we put emphasis more on girls. These girls should give job to 4 people rather than they working somebody else. So along with that, this is one of the thing. Main is we are going to give them become them self-employed. And secondly is if they want to do job, then they have many job opportunities. They can work as costume designers in film industry or the television industry. They can work as a fashion designer, fashion stylist. Also they are bloggers also, fashion bloggers also, the new profession which they are doing. They do the fashion blogging also.
Great. Could you tell much about the blogging?
Blogging is something where we can say it is a part of a fashion leader only. We can say it is a fashion blogger. Like means how we have fashion leaders, like somebody we have a role model, right? We see one particular celebrity and try to copy it.
Yes.
But when we talk about the blog is something where we are writing something and trying to give an impression, influencing somebody.
Okay.
For example, you get influenced by the celebrity by seeing him. But in blogs, you read the blog and you get influenced.
Okay, okay. And you write yourself in that.
I don't write myself, but our students who have passed out or who have done the fashion designing do this. They are opting, this is a new profession, they are opting of writing the fashion blogs.
Okay, okay, great, great. Could I ask you, I'll come to a different path. Could I ask you about the subjects which you teach in this course?
Yeah, we talk about the subject in this fashion designing. We can say first one is like we start with the basic fiber. Like whatever is fashion designing is ultimately a fabric which is made into a different pattern, and then it is been beautified and then it is sold. But when we are teaching, we start from the basic of textiles. What is basic of textiles? How these fabrics we get? How they are colored? How they are decorated? How you are going to do the designing on the textile fabric also, and apparel designing. How you are going to do sketching? We talk fashion illustration. We talk. So we are talking about fashion illustration. After that, we come to the end where we also teach the students how they are going to do marketing of it.
Okay.
How to remove the costing of that particular garment, because we are talking more about self-employed people here, so they should know how one garment is ready after they finish everything, how they are going to market it, what will be the costing they are going to charge for that particular garment or anything.
So right from the basic to the professional level to
Yes.
the level of business.
Yes, yes, we teach everything.
Everything. I think the study of trends, kind of, or culture, kind of, will be the most important thing, right?
Yes, and for this what we do is usually every year, fashion is a word where it is changing every day. But when we are following any curriculum, that where we are talking about a syllabus of any new institute or course or anything, what will happen is that they will have a set of curriculum, they have a set of syllabus, and we have to teach that only. But in fashion field, what happens is we cannot follow this syllabus because the syllabus will change after 3 years. But fashion is changing every moment.
Yeah.
So for that purpose, what we do is we keep one curriculums where we have the present trends. We talk about the present trends to students, and we ask them to do some assignments, do some displays. They create their own designs on that particular theme, and they do the display where they get their own creativity out of it.
Okay. Great. So this is a kind of foundation and this is a kind of formation as well.
Yes.
Okay. So I'd like to ask you one more question. After the completion of the course, do you need any post-graduation for the same?
Post-graduation is required if you want to make the career in a particular field only. Basically, I'll just tell, if we are having our students who have passed out very well and with only their degree, they are doing so very well in their field because of the experience and exposure what they've got. But in case you want to go into a different profession, like you want to go for a teaching line or anything where the we can say the qualification comes in between. So in that cases you have to do post-graduation, and post-graduations are available all in almost all the metropolitan cities we can see presently, and maybe in some of the small places also. And it is a good opportunities, and these courses whatever they do degree, if it is a degree 3 years degree course which is affiliated to a recognized university, then you are eligible for doing any post-graduation in this field.
Okay, so that is also up to you. My next question would be that how is this course in line with skill development, or as you said, the personality development thing?
Yeah.
How is it related to skill development or the entrepreneurship programs run by the government, many of them, the various programs run by the government?
Exactly. Now when we talk about skill development, what is skill development? What is the scheme? We could talk it as Pradhan Mantri Vikas Yojana. So when we talk about this, what is it actually? It is just we are trying to bring a connection between the demand and supply. What is the demand? Demand of the industry, and supply is what we professional teachers are teaching the students. So we are trying to bring a connection between that, because till now what was happening is what was taught in the college, it was need not be applied for them when they went for the job. But now with these courses like fashion designing, what we are talking, we are teaching them exactly what is required for them to apply in the industry when they go out. And even single course or single subject what they are learning in this particular fashion designing, that also can provide them with a job, and that is the main objective of even the skill development what they are saying. They are telling to give them some skill, teach some skill to the people where they can gain a job or earn a living. So that is the main thing. So we are doing 100% skill development. We are giving justice to that skill development scheme whatever is being done by Government of India.
Okay, great. So what I'd like to ask you a last question. What is the thing that you focus much on giving the training to the students?
When we are giving focus to the students, first thing when we talk about this fashion field, I'll be specific, keeping it very this thing to fashion designing only. We give individual attention to the students. Why this is important, you know, each one's creativity is different, and that creativeness can be seen only when we are big, and we don't try to restrict their creativity. For example, maybe whatever we are teaching, we are teaching them some elements of design or principles of design. So somewhere their designing is not in line with this principles of design or elements of design. We never restrict them because they want to show their creativity, and that is the only very important thing we don't do with our course. We allow them to think wide, whatever is their own imagination or their own creativity.
Their own creativity, great. I'd like to request you for one thing. What will be the message you want to give to all the students, as fashion designing could be a good career option for them?
Yeah. Now, as a career, we have so many so many careers we are having, you are having so many different areas for studies. But as fashion designing, if you want to talk, it comes as the basic need of human being. It is like roti, kapda, makan. So there is always a requirement of clothing for the people. So this field will never have any death. Maybe it is being disturbed because of this COVID thing, but it is again regaining. It is coming. It will come back very soon. It is coming back to its own position. So this is a very good opportunities for the girls, or even boys are opting for this course. They can also do it. And main importantly, what happens is, in this fashion field, even if you are not interested to go out and work, you don't want to go and work under somebody, staying at home also you can be self-employed and become a good entrepreneur and earn for yourself. And very important messages for the girls, I would like to say, you rather working for somebody, you offer a job for 4 people, and instead of putting your hand forward to ask something, I always say keep your hand in this way rather than this way.
Yes, great. Thank you, ma'am. I'd like to thank her so that she gave a time to the channel, so that she could give such a good message to people, to the students who have passed 10th, to the students who are finding for career opportunities. And I'd like to tell you that fashion designing is a field where you don't need to think about the demand, because the demand is very vast. So you can choose this as a great option for yourself, and I wish you all the best for your career ahead. Thank you.
Thank you for inviting me.